Holy cow, this morning when I got up, it was minus 47 degrees wind chill approximately here in northern Wisconsin. What do you do on days like this? What's the coldest day you've ever experienced? Let me know down in that comment section. Let's talk about that a little bit. For me, today is going to be work in the office, work on this YouTube video, do some tax work from last year that needs to be taken care of and organized, go through balance checkbooks, those kind of things. And I'm also looking at a new project. So those are the things that are going to keep me busy today. I'm staying in if I can. That was my intention yesterday. Buddy called me, he couldn't get his truck started. So we landed up working on that for 3 or 4 hours. Landed up, it had to go on the tow truck, and they still haven't figured it out at the dealership, I guess. Take care. Have a great day. Hit that like and subscribe button, please. And once again, remember in the comment section, share the coldest day you've experienced, what you did. Um, let's just kind of see what people do on these kind of days. Thank you.